Pandas, 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 pandas. Welcome to the stream, pandas. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm Bye Money. Oh, welcome to the mainstream. We trade here live every single day. Eminis, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat if you haven't done so already. Invite your friends. Invite your family. Let them know what's happening here is the next thing. Forget Bitcoin. Forget Bitcoin. Forget altcoins. Forget Dogecoin. The futures is the future. We are already in the next big thing. This is the prop firm extravaganza. And we are taking part. We are taking part, pandas. Tell your friends, tell your family. Join the stream. Thanks, everyone. Pandas. Top left of your screen, you can see we're up $1,000 on our journey here. We're up 4K. Can we get the payouts? Can we get to the payouts, pandas? Can we get there? Hopefully we can. This might be the one, pandas. This might be the one, but who knows? I'm kind of liking the volatility in the markets these days, right? Like we're getting away from 10-point ranges for 2 hours in opening. We're actually moving a lot, even though it's choppy. We're still moving, so I'm actually enjoying that a little bit. The one and only Bye Money. Pandas, 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 pandas. Let's get the payouts. Let's get to the payouts. The daily chart. Trading range on the daily chart. Coming from the top back to the bottom. Are we going to come back to the top? Maybe. Possibly. But we got two strong bear bars here. Pretty far beneath the 20 MA. And the weekly chart, even though we've reversed pretty hard on the daily, we have not even touched the 20 EMA yet on the weekly chart. Like we still have plenty of room to come down, and it will be a healthy pullback on the higher time frames. So we could keep pushing down on the daily chart and it'll be completely fine. I mean, look at this. Like, is this healthy? Is this move healthy? I don't think so. So these pullbacks are like good things for the it allows the market to rest a little bit. It allows more buyers to come in, right? People taking their profits. Quick look at gold. Ooh. Interesting. Oil. Oil is falling, huh? Oil is dropping. Anyways. 5-minute chart. Absolute trading range the entire day on the 5-minute chart. And the trading range indicator marking for us the trading range quite nicely here. You can see how it goes from the bottom, taps off of it and goes to the top, taps off of it. So you can see that the trading range on the 5-minute chart was marked pretty well with the indicator. 10,000 tick chart as well. Indicator marking the trading range. It's more the fact that it knows we're in a trading range, which is nice, right? When you break beneath the low of the trading range on the next reversal, you buy, get back to the top. Again, the reversal here, buy back to the top. Again here, the next reversal, back to the top. Right? Like every single time we break beneath and you buy the next reversal back up, right? Basically breaking the previous, right? Basically breaking a previous candle's high signals the reversal. So when you break beneath, you buy, get back to the top. Break beneath, you buy. Even though it's a little bit scary, you end up getting back to the top. Break beneath, even though it goes like crazy down. And the next reversal, right? The next time it breaks the previous candle's high, come all the way back up before breaking the low, right? You put your stop loss here, you buy here, and you try to get back to the top. And it happens every single time. Again, here, break beneath, buy, get back to the top. Break beneath, buy, the next reversal after it breaks beneath. and you buy, you can say something similar to the top of the range, right? Every time you break above, you sell, and you put your stop loss up here, you put your buy here, and you put your target down here. And no matter, every time it has broken above these failed breakouts here, and also here, and also here, right? If you sold here, you break out your reversal, even though it has a strong push up, you never break this high, so your stop loss is good still. You come back to the bottom. So this trading range on the 5-minute chart is just, or 10,000 tick chart, the trading range indicator just marked it perfectly, I think, personally. Everyone has their own opinions, of course, but that's what I think. It's just a big trading range yesterday, and if you got chopped up yesterday, it makes sense, right? Like, most people get chopped up in trading ranges. Why? Because, trading ranges, when you see huge moves like this, right? If I showed you this move like this, and I asked you, are we bullish or bearish? You'll say 100% bullish. Let me just get back to the 20 EMA. And the next time you get back to the 20 EMA, guess what? Instead of bouncing, you plummet. You plummet down. And so that's why trading ranges are tricky, because it makes you think you're in a strong trend, but these bull legs and bear legs in trading ranges are very strong typically. So like it's same thing here. If I showed you this, like, oh, you're like, oh, 100% we're bearish. Well, guess what? We come all the way back up. We come all the way back up here. It's like in the same day. So that's why people get messed up in trading ranges, because especially if you're a trend trader. I'm learning still how to switch my gears, quickly between trend trading and trading range trading. It's hard for me. It's really hard for me. I'm typically just a trend trader where I look for a trend and I wait for two-legged pullbacks back to the 20 MA or some sort of support, and then I go long or short, whatever the original trend is. But the last couple months, man, trends have not really been there for me. Have not been kind. We've had a lot of days where we just kind of go sideways for a while, and then it bursts up or down, and then sideways for a couple hours, and then bursts one way or another. It's just very hard to time those kind of markets. So everyone is usually pretty strong in a certain type of market cycle. Pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys before we open. Charles Wilson, good morning. Jeffrey Hall, welcome. Dom T, welcome. Good morning, Big P. Hugh, good morning. Blacklight, the one and only. Just ain't right. Panda, what happened to your 150K accounts? They went off stream. They're on my off stream accounts now. John Q, I've never lost a trade in my life. I believe it. Well, wait till you start trading. That's a good response to that comment. YL, kudos to you for a great response. Good job. Drone, good morning. Marcos, yep, I got killed trading yesterday. It's frustrating because I know better, but still made mistakes all day in the range. Growing every day, getting better. Hansman, good morning. Tate, good morning. It's really hard to break, it's really hard to gain another perspective, especially if you're a strong momentum, trend trader. It's really hard to gain another perspective and be able to switch gears on a dime. Am I gonna take this Big Mama? Again, it looks very bullish, but you gotta recognize we are in a trading range, so we can possibly break above here just a little bit, peak above it, and reverse strongly. I'm looking more for a reversal at this area. Market's about to open. 3 minutes, pandas. Second entry long here. I don't like it. I don't like it, pandas. Market's about to open, pandas. Get ready. Bill 7, welcome. Black Guy says, I'm still in the mindset. It's a week after Christmas and market is slow. Yeah, I mean, right now, the volatility is picking up. When I say volatility, I mean it's like making big moves up and down. Like ATRs are higher these days, which is good, I think, for day trading. 5 seconds, pandas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. About 7 overlapping bars in a row right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10,000 tick trap.
Breaking beneath. Give me a trap trade, I guess. Coming back to the previous day's close here. I'll take the trap trade, sure. Why not? The 5-minute, big gap. Needs to fill the gap, in my opinion. We're still stuck in the range on the 5-minute chart.
$10,000 tick trap.
In this trade. I'm still in this trade. first trade of the day. Just a little ding. It's a little boo-boo, pandas. It's okay. It's okay, pandas. It's a little boo-boo. Brush it off. Move on to the next. Pandas, the most important thing right now is the next trade. Not this little boo-boo we just got. Don't worry, pandas. This is a little boo-boo. Don't let it affect you. Don't let it affect you. Just a little teeny boo-boo. I might look for a new high here at this point. A little bit sideways right now. It is hitting the top of this channel here. I gotta go long. Outside bar reversal. Not my thing. Skip it. It's not my thing. That's not my thing. I won't do it. I won't do it. Okay. Outside bar reversal. Darn. I mean, it is what it is, pandas. We'll let it go. It looks like it wants to make a new high. I just don't like outside bar reversals. I really don't. And that's why. That's why I don't like outside bar reversals. Double reversal here, though. That's why I don't take the outside bar reversals, pandas. Alright, pushing down. It's kind of going the way I thought it was going to go now. After a failed trap to the upside. Okay. Very cool. Very, very cool. I love when that happens. All right. $10,000 tick chart creating a interesting second entry long setup here. I mean, we're still in the range, right? It's hard to take these trades when you're still like beneath, near the top of a trading range.
Trap.
It's just hard. It's just really hard. You don't know if it's going to be a resistance or if it's going to break through. It's really hard to tell. I mean, that's the $1 million question, right? Are you going to break through or are you going to bounce off those resistance areas?
$10,000 tick trap.
I guess we can go long here. I don't know, pandas. I guess we go long here? Is that weird? Feels like I'm just short. Might be a good setup to go long. I'll take the outside bar reversal here. It's another attempt to reverse, right? This one fails. Now I'm going to try to attempt it again to reverse again. Oof. Okay. Come back up. Could be a decent trade here. I'll attempt it. I'll go for a scalp. Oof. Okay. Keeps pushing down further now. It's getting more and more sus. We're in this trade, pandas. We are in this trade. We are committed. We are committed. Let's hope it's not a toxic relationship like your last girlfriend. Let's hope it's not. Oh, it's not looking pretty. Honestly, it's not looking pretty. Should I reverse it? Should I reverse it?
10,000.
It is not looking pretty. That is not pretty. I'll tell you that much right now. That is not a good thing. That is a bad thing. Right now. Oof. It does not look pretty. I'll tell you that much. It does not look pretty right now. Oof. Micro double bottom, pandas. Will it save me? Will the micro double bottom save me today? Oh, is that possible? Pandas, is it actually possible? Micro double bottom saving me? Ah! Ah! Pandas! Am I saved by the micro? Oh, wow. And micro double bottoms just to come back down. Jeez. That's ugly. That is ugly. I'm eating. I'm eating. Okay, Panda, I'm eating. Can I Panda eat for a second, please? This is crazy, Pandas. This is crazy. I lost 2 trades, and the trades I took are not even that bad. I don't mind losing good trades though. I don't think the trades I took were that bad. Going short here made sense to me, right? You break trend, make new high, top of a trading range, good place for reversal. I just think the price action is a little bit wonky right now, to be honest. 5-minute chart. Pushing up, might trigger Big Mama here in the 5-minute. Hard time reading the market, obviously.
$10,000 tick trap.
What's my next move, Pandas? What are we doing here? Wedge bottom, maybe? We're pushing up? Huh. Double bottom here. Are we in a limit order market? Nah, this is hard. Inside bar being created here. Alright, inside bar setup. OI pattern. Another inside bar, Pandas. OII pattern. OII. Goodness gracious, Pandas. Market is undecided. Indecisive. Okay, break above on the inside bar setup. OII pattern. Doesn't quite give you your second entry long. Popping up now. I wish he gave me the second entry long. I would been interested. We're going up, Pandas. Or that. Push down. Double top here, maybe?
10,000 tick trap.
I'm definitely skipping this trap if it goes up. Avalon says, wait till break of TR. Makes sense. It actually makes some sense. I love when the chat makes some sense. Okay, coming back down. Maybe something like this. Jeez, all right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, market. What I do to you? Hmm. 5 minute entering a limit order market. Interesting. Probably looks something more like this. The trading range. Very unpredictable price action in my opinion right now. I mean, it could just be a limit order market and it makes sense just to go long here. Or that. Push down hard. Now where the 5 minute is pushing down back into its own trading range. 5 minute chart. There's a big old trading range on the 5 minute. It wants to fill the gap maybe. In my mind, it makes sense to fill the gap when you've been in a trading range this long. It's just like no setups, right, pandas? That's what sucks. Like, if you feel like you're gonna reverse here, it's like you got no setups. So it is what it is. We're right on the 20 EMA now, on the 5 minute chart. Right, the 20 EMA right here on the 5 minute. Finding a little support here. almost want to take the opposite of this trap at this point. But not an outside bar reversal. Skip it. Crazy price action, that's right. Second entry short here. Huh. Second entry short, pandas. It's a bad signal bar. We're in a trading range. Price action is a little bit choppy. Also have a failed trap. Okay, this failed trap. Might work out though. Perhaps it might work out. Sure.
5-minute trap.
Sure. Why not? Why not? Back to into the trading range here. I rarely take trades underneath the 20 MA like this, but because of the trading range, quite possibly a setup here. It's just a trap trade. Fails like entry short, bottom of the trading range. My 1-to-1 is 3 points here. That's not good, reversing off of the 20 EMA like that. Finding some resistance there. It's not good. It's an inside bar on the 10,000 tick. Yeah, this is not good. It's 3 losses in a row here. Almost. Okay, pushes back up. Could be an L4 setup. To go short. Oof, outside bar reversal, jeez. Eager to go short those bears. Right there, interesting. Okay, I guess it's not a trading range after all. It's not a trading range actually. It is the top of a reversal. Ouch. 3 losses in a row. I mean, we had the big trading range on 2000 tick, come back to the bottom of the big trading range. The main reason why I took that trade was because I had the potential trading range, right, that looked like this, and we had a trap trade. Again, beneath the 20 MA, I typically don't take these for this exact reason. And the 5-minute chart also bouncing off the 20 MA. So I was thinking possibly maybe we get a little bounce here back into this trading range, but this is all too confusing. I'm not reading this correctly, pandas. This is tough. This one's tough, man. This day's tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's already tough. Every trap has almost failed today. Right, this trap's failed. This trap has failed. This trap has failed. This trap has failed. It's like a trapper's trap day. Trapping the trapper's day.
Five-minute trap.
It's a little bit wacky. Okay, that trap works out. Interesting. I don't know, pandas. This is tough. This is tough. Like, this is a mess right here. It's an absolute mess right here. Maybe we are not in this blue box anymore. You know what? We're gonna hit the bottom of the trading range indicator on the 2000 tick chart. My own indicator was telling me the whole time what to do, and we had a trend line here with this trap off this trend line. Actually, it was a good trade. Actually, a very good trade there. Darn, wasn't thinking that. I was thinking we already broke trend. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff going on there, but I guess it makes sense. Alright, pandas. Not the best start. Not the best start. Q, good trade. No, that's a good trade. I should have taken that. This trade right here, probably. Whoa. This trade right here, probably one of the better setups. Now that I've drew this line, I was just worried about this blue box, but we finally hit the bottom of the trading range on 2000 tick chart. I mean, I don't know what to make of it. Honestly, I don't. 10,000 tick. Do we make the 1-to-1 on this inside bar setup yet? It's a perfect 1-to-1 on that inside bar setup. Right. Oh, eye pattern here. Outside bar, inside bar. You break to the bottom side of the inside bar and you make a 1-to-1 from the other side of the inside bar. And we hit that perfectly. Actually perfect. Jeez. Second short here, outside bar reversal. Looks like I'm trying to fill the gap now on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart has a gap here. It wants to fill. Basically, top of the trend range back to the bottom. I took a couple attempts short, but alright, 3 trades. Get in, get out. I mean, it certainly looks like it wants to fill the gap. A strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. And near its low. And you have an obvious price target here. Another push down here. Is it like good enough for me to take a first entry here? Kind of hard, right? Because if this is a channel, we also hit the bottom of the channel as well. So that first entry is hard to take for me. Maybe a second entry short here could be good. We don't quite trigger the second pullback, so we don't have a second entry yet. If we break the previous candle's high, then now we have a second entry. Second entry short pandas. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. A nice looking one, at least. Bad signal bar currently. Bad signal bar. Risk is not too large though. Okay, even worse signal bar, and risk is bigger now. It's a bad signal bar. Printing an inside bar now. Huh. Okay, no longer inside bar. Bad signal bar again, above 20 MA. Looking to go short here. Coming off our trend line, also off the 20 MA here. in this trade. I mean, obvious, almost too obvious target is the closing this gap here. That's like the obvious target here. Again, we could be in a trading range. It could reverse on me. If it reverses on me, it is what it is. I'll take the hit. Move on. New low created.
Target filled.
Let's go, baby. Whoo! 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 Ric Flair, whoo! Ah, feels good to be a panda. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I was down like 500 almost. Now I'm down only 91. One trade. One trade to rule them all. Ric Flair, whoo! What an exit. What an exit right now. It's bouncing up. Ric Flair, who? How many points was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 pointers. Almost an 8 pointer. YL says, I'm still in the short, gonna short it until it goes to 0. Like a 5,000 point move. It makes sense. You might have caught the top. That might have been it. That might have been the setup for the top of the E-mini. I believe. Thoughts and prayers to YL. Jason Ringa. He was one of the early people who joined and he became a mod. He's actually a mod. Hello, my friend. Been a long time, but thought I'd stop by and say hello. Hope all is going well. Wish Chris says, let's go, baby. Jason, welcome back. Welcome back. It's good to see your name. Like, literally, he's like one of the OGs. He's like actually a mod. Like, I forgot I had mods. I totally forgot I had mods. Whew. Can I be a mod? It was at a time where it was like, believe it or not, pandas, I used to have like, 300 plus viewers watching, and there were like a lot of trolls, and the mods would actually have to do something and like take out the trolls. But right now I have like 100 people maybe watching, so it's like I can control it pretty much. I feel like the chat is too erotic. It's true. You need to mod yourself out. You need to ban yourself. Alright. Let's continue to push down. Again, 5-minute chart. Obvious target, right? Gap here. We want to fill the gap. Maybe back to the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart as well. Could be a nice target to hit. That's one thing I don't miss. I guess YouTube really cracked down. I used to get like messages from like actual like erotic websites, and they're really smart because the message was nothing, right? Their message, they would put almost no message. So like Nightbot and whatever moderates it could not, didn't really like filter out their message, but their whole message was in their name. So since it was in the name, like they'll just say anything. They'll say hello, but since in the name the message was there, it's like it was like I mean, these people are smart. I guess YouTube started cracking down on even that. It was like out of control. Every single day I would get one. Alright. I don't know if I want to take this. Even though we have an obvious target we want to hit, never get married to any premise. Never get married to a premise, pandas. Never get married to a premise. Premise is like that flirty girl who you think likes you, but actually just flirts with everybody. That's what premises are. Don't ever marry those. I think for every trade, I always think of the opposite possibility. This could be a decent one. This could be a decent long trade, actually. Fat fish, it says it right. Exactly. Okay, outside bar reversal. Just waiting. Pushing down. Wow, you literally said thoughts and prayers for my short. Now you're thinking of going long. I'm not thinking of going long. I'm just, I'm always thinking of going long. I'm always thinking about going short. I'm thinking of all the scenarios. That's why I'm terrible at trading. I have no idea what I'm doing. Second entry short here. It looks steady, right? Going down. Okay, second entry short here. The only problem is right at the previous day's close here on the extended trading hours. It hasn't yet filled the gap yet on the 5-minute chart though. I mean, we could have like a pullback and end up going down. We don't have to go straight down to it. We might get to it eventually, but second entry short does trigger here, lower high setup. I don't know. Do we want to go short here? I do need like a 2-point move in order to get back to positive. Not that that should influence your trading at all, but it's in there, pandas. Don't worry. I realize I want to end positive today. You just need a 2-point move, and oh man, that could kill you. That literally will kill your account sometimes. Where you're like, oh, I just want a 2-point move, and then you die. It's happened to me many times. Like, oh, I just need like 50 more dollars to get funded, and then you die. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Another short here. I'm just seeing my pause. I don't know what's happening. It's getting a little bit choppy, if anything. It's basically a triangle. Outside bar reversal. Pushing down hard. There it is. Finally fills the gap, pandas. 5-minute chart fills the gap. I could have held this for a little bit more, but I don't have to go through all of this nonsense, which is fine. I'm happy. This eventually filled the gap. Took forever. Surprisingly, like, very contained within this channel here. It's like another textbook example of a channel where you don't ever see this in real life. But it's like they basically draw a channel, and then in the channel they have like they draw a line that just looks like this. It's like, oh yeah, channel, you just buy, sell. It's so easy. It never happens in real life, but we're actually seeing it right now. Five-minute may try to come back to the bottom of the channel. Sorry, bottom of the trading range. Just a straight move down to it too. Another inside bar. Doesn't make it? Yeah, easily makes it. Right, inside bar set up on the 5-minute chart. These are wild, but they're hitting. These inside bars are hitting. I think we can reverse here. I think we can reverse here. Now that we have no unfinished business. Solid bull bars. Give me a setup, please. Gio, thanks for coming in. Give me a fail second entry chart, I'll take it. What is this? What is this nonsense? What is that? Oh, I pattern. Oh, I pattern on 2000 tick chart. That's wild. Maybe pandas. A fail second entry short here. Maybe. Just maybe. Pikachu trade. Ooh, I see a nice like pullback and bounce off the 20 minute on the 10,000 tick. It comes right up to it, bounces off of it. Might not be a good trade. May not be good to go along here. Yeah, especially with the signal bar that looks like this. Typically you look for a new high though in these situations. Okay, it does trigger. Second entry loan does trigger. Looking for a new high now. That's just wild though. That's actually wild. Bad signal bar, can't take that trade, but still. Price action, still good to read it. Still good to recognize what's happening. Helps you better ebb and flow. It's like you're wrestling someone. If you ever wrestled before, like actual like competitive wrestling, then it's like you wrestle and you struggle with like your opponent for a while. But after a while, you get to recognize their tendencies. You try to use it against them. But first, you have to wrestle with them for a while. It basically be, you know, head to head tied. See how they react to certain moves. YL, you love Rhonda. You should write her a note. You should write her a letter, and just tell her of your love. It's a trap trade to the other side actually to go down. I don't know, pandas. It don't make sense here to me. This trade don't make sense. None of it makes sense. Mowashi, good morning. Welcome, guys, welcome. I may go along here. I don't know. Sure. Why not? Why not? There's something weird's happening. The fact that fails, like traps are failing again. Okay. Or not. Forget about it. I'm not sure what's happening here, pandas. We're going in and out of the 20 EMA now. Could just be a classic limit order market here. Strange. I just don't know what's happening, Panis. Not that I don't know what's happening. I don't know how to trade this. What's happening is that this is sideways choppy and limit order market. Hard to trade. Oof. Another push down. Don't go to the washroom while in trade. Call your mom before like Cartman. Mom! Mom! Bathroom! Bathroom! Hot Pockets! That was probably one of the best episodes of South Park I've ever seen. Best like episode of any series I've ever seen. The World of Warcraft star a South Park episode. I think it won like awards or something. Okay, pushing down now. I don't know. I don't feel too good about this. Whoa, alright. Pushing pretty hard now. Are we double bottoming here? I don't think so. I don't know what to make of this though. Are we double bottom? Is it double bottom? On a day like today, I don't mind being down negative. Like, I don't mind being down $91. It was a tough day. Especially right now. I do have trouble on days like this when it's like it is in a trading range and I'm like anticipating it, but the move down is like like there's big like strong moves. It's hard to be like, all right, switch back to trend trading, right? To switch back to the trend. Keep switching gears. That's also difficult for me. I don't know, Pans. I don't know what's going on. Are you going long or are you going short? Got tick shot at only one contract got out. Ooh, took out a PA. Evals, I understand it's okay. I mean, those come and go. That's like, you know, blades of grass. They come and go every single day. But the PAs, those are, you know, those are like maybe like you know, maybe it's like a pet, a pet hamster. When your pet hamster dies, that's what it feels like. Triangle. Okay. 5-minute chart. Creating this triangle looking thing. Most likely gonna break to the downside, looks like. Give me a second inch short, I'll take it. Interesting. I was not expecting that to actually happen. The fact that it's happening makes me a little bit worried. I didn't expect the second pullback to happen here. The last trade of the stream here. Give me a 1-to-1. Second you're short. Thank you. Should I reverse this? Okay. Could have got a break even there, which I probably should have. I don't like how this looks. I'll come out break even. Either I hit my target or I'll come out break even here. Yeah, come on break even. It's all good, pandas. Alright, pandas. You know, that's enough for me today. The market just went completely sideways, and I don't like how it looks like now. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:58 by the mainstream. Pandas, if you're curious of how many accounts I have, how much money I've withdrawn from Apex, if you're curious about any of those things and want to follow my journey a little more closely, you guys can become pandas and join me for the pre-market show where we go over all my accounts and all my accounts and how much money I made, how much profit I've made. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. Trade safe. Stick to the plan. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.